Well, let's try this again. Try and keep my big ass hands out of the way. Okay. When the piston bottoms out, it covers the port in there. It won't go the other direction until I move it out just a little bit, so that the passageway in here is uncovered when it goes all the way. And when it's when it's on the engine, the crankshaft will keep it from bottoming out, and the valve will of course be automatic, so as it'll move as things go back and forth. So I'm happy.